replacement of battery on the Peugeot 208, Peugeot 2008, Citroën C3 with the start-stop system. First of all, unplug these two cables. Then, with the screwdriver, open this box and unscrew these two bolts with the 10 socket. Then unplug these cables and unmount the positive clamp from the battery. Now you're ready to open the battery. Use 10 socket to unscrew the minus from the battery. And then pull the battery to the left, and you can reinstall it with new one. That's it. The battery, reinstall it backwards. It not need to be reprogrammed when installed. Thank you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.